CD Baby for Musicians' honest review. Watch before using. If you're a musician looking for a reliable platform to distribute your music globally, CD Baby is one of the top names that pops up. But is it worth your time and money? Let's dive into what CD Baby offers and who it's really for. First off, CD Baby is designed for independent artists who want an easy way to get their music on major platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon. What sets CD Baby apart from competitors is its one-time fee model. You pay once to upload your music, and they take care of distribution for life. This is ideal for musicians who don't want to deal with recurring subscription fees. The platform also offers a comprehensive range of features, including physical CD and vinyl sales, sync licensing to get your music into films and TV shows, and worldwide publishing administration to collect royalties on your behalf. However, be aware that CD Baby takes a 9% commission on digital sales, which is worth considering if you expect high-volume sales. One of the standout features is the option for global distribution, which covers more than 150 platforms and territories, ensuring your music reaches a wide audience. You also get access to analytics and reporting to track your streams and sales. On the downside, CD Baby's user interface can feel a bit outdated, and it's not as intuitive as some of its competitors, so there may be a slight learning curve for new users. For beginners or independent musicians who want an all-in-one solution without ongoing costs, CD Baby is a great choice. But if you're looking for more frequent releases or updates, a subscription-based service like DistroKid might be better suited. Overall, CD Baby delivers solid value, especially for long-term distribution needs. If you want lifetime control over your music without being locked into monthly fees, this platform could be your answer. However, keep in mind the commission fees and a somewhat clunky interface before making your final decision.